Chapter 1: The AI Revolution in 2025. The year is 2025, and AI is no longer just a futuristic dream, it's a daily reality. From smart homes that predict our needs to AI-powered doctors saving lives, technology is transforming every aspect of our world. But what does this mean for you? How will AI shape your everyday life? In this video, we'll take you on a journey into the AI-driven future where work, healthcare, travel, and even entertainment are evolving at an unprecedented pace. Get ready to see how AI will make life easier, more efficient, and even more exciting. Chapter 2: AI in Healthcare, Personalized Medicine. AI doctors. Imagine walking into a clinic and getting diagnosed in seconds. AI-driven healthcare is making that possible. AI can analyze millions of medical cases in real time, providing faster and more accurate diagnosis than ever before. Robotic surgeons, guided by AI, are performing delicate operations with near-perfect precision. Chatbots powered by AI are handling appointments, answering medical queries, and even detecting early signs of diseases. Personalized medicine is also here. AI can tailor treatments specifically for your DNA, optimizing recovery and reducing side effects. Healthcare is becoming faster, smarter, and more accessible. Chapter 3: AI in Transportation, Self-driving cars. Smart traffic management. Traffic jams, accidents, and long commutes. What if AI could fix them all? Self-driving cars are set to revolutionize transportation, making roads safer and driving more efficient. AI-powered vehicles will communicate with each other, preventing collisions and optimizing traffic flow. Even public transportation will be AI-driven. Smart buses and AI traffic lights will reduce congestion in busy cities. Plus, AI can optimize delivery routes, ensuring goods reach you faster and more efficiently. Say goodbye to traffic headaches. AI is in the driver's seat. Chapter 4: AI in Smart Homes. Your house will think for you. Ever wish your home could read your mind? In 2025, AI-powered smart homes will do just that. Your home assistant will adjust lighting, temperature, and even brew your morning coffee, all without you lifting a finger. AI-powered security systems will recognize faces and detect potential threats. Smart fridges will remind you when groceries are running low and even order them for you. AI is turning homes into responsive, intelligent environments, making everyday tasks effortless. Chapter 5: AI in Education, Personalized Learning. AI tutors. Education is no longer one size fits all. AI is personalizing learning experiences for every student. AI tutors will analyze your strengths and weaknesses, creating customized lesson plans that suit your learning style. AI can also translate lectures in real time, making education more accessible worldwide. Virtual reality and AI-powered simulations will make learning more interactive. Students can explore ancient civilizations or conduct virtual chemistry experiments from home. This is the future of learning, smart, engaging, and tailored just for you. Chapter 6: AI in Shopping, Smarter Recommendations. Virtual try-ons. Shopping will never be the same again. AI will predict what you want before you even search for it. AI-powered virtual try-ons will let you see how clothes, makeup, or even furniture look before you buy. Personalized shopping assistants will suggest products tailored to your taste, and AI will even negotiate discounts for you. Say goodbye to decision fatigue. AI is your new personal shopper. Chapter 7: AI in Finance, Automated Investments. Fraud Prevention. Managing money just got easier. AI will monitor your spending, automate your investments, and even alert you to potential fraud in real time. AI trading bots will help investors make smarter decisions, and financial AI assistants will provide budgeting advice personalized for your lifestyle. AI isn't just making money smarter, it's making it safer and more efficient. Chapter 8: AI in Content Creation, Automated Videos, Music, and Art. AI is becoming the ultimate creative partner. AI tools can now generate realistic videos, compose original music, and even write entire books. From filmmakers to musicians, AI is supercharging creativity. Chapter 9: AI in Jobs, Making Work Easier, Not Replacing Humans. AI won't take your job, it'll make your job easier. Repetitive tasks will be automated, freeing humans to focus on creative and strategic work. AI will assist, not replace. Chapter 10: AI in Entertainment, Personalized Movies, AI-generated games. AI will create custom movies and video games tailored to your preferences. Your favorite content will be smarter, more interactive, and more immersive. Chapter 11: AI in Space Exploration, The Next Frontier. AI will take us to the stars. From autonomous Mars rovers to AI-driven satellite networks, space exploration is about to get a serious upgrade. Chapter 12: The Future of AI. What's next? AI is evolving at lightning speed. Will we see AI surpass human intelligence? How will ethics shape its development? The future is exciting and we are just getting started. The AI revolution is here. What do you think AI will do next? In the next video, imagine waking up to an AI that has already planned your day, responded to emails, and even built an app, all without you lifting a finger. AI agents like AutoGPT and Devin AI are not just assisting us, they're replacing jobs and reshaping industries. Are we still in control, or are AI agents taking over? Find out soon. If you found this video informative, drop a comment below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.